this is Lucas. So this week we have finished the production of our chicken slaughter line. So it is a 500 birds per hour compact chicken slaughter line. So before shipment, I would like to show you. So follow me, please. Okay. So here, so this position, we just hand the chicken here, then the reel will automatically run it. So the chicken here, this is water-based stunning. Chicken go inside, then out, then sticky and the blood bleeding or blood letting. So here is a scalding tank. So there are two ways to heat the water. So the first method is gas generation. Another one is use electric heating. So the chicken go into the scalding tank, then go out. So this is the plucking machine. So chicken go inside, then the the plucking process or defeathering process. So after plucking, chicken will, this is the chicken head puller machine. Okay. So here we just taking over the offals or viscera from the chicken. Then the offals, the wastage, go outside here. So you can use a small tank here or something else to receive the offals. So hand the chicken after the evisceration or taking out the offals. Hand the chicken here. So this is the automatic chicken feed machines. Okay, chicken feed. So here, finish the chicken carcass. Okay, down. The chicken feet down. We just use a small carts or something else to receiving the chicken carcass and chicken feet. Okay. So after that, the chicken carcass will be transferred into the chiller or pro-coolers by the belt or something else. The conveying belt. So then the machine will automatically working. After that, finally the chicken carcass come out here. So here you can use plastic containers to receive, or the working table to receive, or transferred to the coating room. Then finished.